Hello, I just been looking to see how to change beko washer dryer door handle. I couldn't find any video. I thought it may be useful if I make one and show you guys how to change the broken door handle on a beko washer dryer. So as you can see, this the top part is coming out by sending a screwdriver through the where the handle is located and forcing the white bit to the right hand side like this way, and the top bit coming out, and then you can see there is a screw hole here which you can open it very easy, and then you can have access to the handle. So I'm gonna do that and you see how I'm doing it. Actually, this is the first time I'm seeing this particular handle is broken, and I'm trying to fixing it. It was really difficult to see from where I have to open the door. This beko model is kind of Bosch style. Some of the Bosch washing machine door is exactly open in the same style. So that's the last screw, and we're nearly there. So open. Then again this should be clip. So we just send the flat screwdriver through the another flat. I'm not sure why they make it this much strong. Got clips all around it. Another one. Again. Actually not release yet. Probably one of the screws not. Yes, this one was not released. So it's more easy now. And it's all done. So we got the handle right here. So I got the spare parts, which is this. And just simply replace it with a broken one. Have to see where is broken this part. Yes, right there, exactly broken. Push the pin. It's very strong. easy, and that's done. So yes, okay. Where is this bit? So if we say this is the face of the machine, probably we should look at this, how it's hanging to the machine. It should be this, the top one should be face downward. Okay, so if you look at this little metal here, so you understand easy it should be on the toward the glass, because if you force it like that, you understand you can rotate it with a handle, otherwise it doesn't work.